Good morning, my dear children. So today we are going to discuss about vectors chapter. In this vector we are discussing about the dot product. So first listen the question. The vector 5i plus 2j minus lk is a perpendicular to the vector 3i plus j plus 2k for L. So what is a bar here? 5i plus 2j minus lk, and what is b here? 3i plus j plus 2k. So we have to go for dot product, that is a bar dot b bar equal to 0. So what is a bar? 5i plus 2j minus lk dot b bar is 3i plus j plus 2k. So we already know that I dot I is 1. So whenever you do when we are doing the dot product, so the similar vectors has done by dot product, or the dot product is exists between two similar vectors, then resultant is 1. So I dot is 1, 5 3s are 15, j dot j is 1, so 3 1s are 2 1s are 2, and minus into plus minus l into 2 2l. So if you do that, 2l plus 17 plus 17, if you shift this at minus 17, minus minus get cancelled, l equal to 17 by 2, that is 8.5. Next, the component of a bar 2i plus 3j along the direction of vector I plus j and I minus j. So whenever you given like this, component direct along the direction of vector. So what is a bar here? 2i plus 3j, and here given 2. So first we have to do this, after we go for this. So first this is considered as a b bar. So I plus j, and what is the magnitude of b? Root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. So what is the formula to do this? That is a bar dot b cap, that is a bar by a bar dot b cap. B cap means here unit vector. Unit vector is nothing but b bar by magnitude of b. Okay, magnitude of b. So 2i plus 3j dot I plus j by root 2. If you multiply I dot I is 2, I dot I is 1, so 2 1s are 2, j dot j is 1, so 3 1s are 3, so 2 plus 3 by root 2, that is 5 by root 2. Now come here. So now let me consider b bar is I minus j, that is, let me go for magnitude of b. So here also we get the same 5 root 2. Now here also same 2i plus 3j of dot I minus j by root 2. So 2 1s are 2 minus 3 by root 2. So what we get? 1 by root 2. So answer is 5 by root 2 and 1 minus 1 by root 2. Here we get minus 1 by root 2. Answer is this. So next, let me go for the question. Here question is very lengthy, like 2 marks answer. So first let me go for the question. Here forces acting on a particle having magnitude 5, 3, 1 act on the direction of vectors he given L, M, N, and respectively. If the particle displaces from a point A, B, then the work done is. If you want to find out the work done is W equal to F into AB. So here we need to find out the net force. If you want to find out the net force, first let me go for F1. F1 bar is nothing but magnitude of F into unit vector of F. What is the magnitude of F? 5, and unit vector of F is nothing but this. Unit vector of this. You already know that unit vector of F bar is nothing but F bar by magnitude of F. See here, 5 6 are 30 I plus 10j plus 15k by. So 36 plus 4, 40. 40 plus 9 is 49. So 49 root 49 is 7. So better to take 5 only separately. 6i plus 2j plus 3k for easy calculation. No need this. So root 49 what we get? Root 49 what we get? 7. Next let me go for F2. Same. What is F2 here? Here F2 is 3. And what is this? Here we have to take second one. That is 3i minus 2j plus 6k by magnitude. What is this magnitude? 9 plus 4 plus 36. Here also root 49. Root 49 is 7. So what we can write? 3 by 7 of 3i minus 2j plus 6k. And next go for F3. F3 given as a 1 Newton. 1 Newton, and next we have to take n. That is F3 equal to 1 of what? 2i minus 3j minus 6k by root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. Here also 2i minus 3j minus 6k, root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. Here also 36 plus 4 49. Root 49 is 7. So 1 by 7 of 2i minus 3j minus 6k. Now we need to find out the net force. The net force is F1 plus F2 plus F3. F1 plus F2 plus F3. So from all these F1 plus F2 plus F3, 7 is common. So if you do all this, what we get? 1 by 7 of 41 I cap plus j cap plus 27 k cap. So if you do this F1 plus F2 plus F3, so 5 6 are 30, 3 3 are 9, 2. So 30 plus 39, 30 plus 9, 39, 39 plus 2, 41. So like that if you do that, next one is, so 5 2 is 10, and here 6, 10 minus 6, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. So we get as J. Similarly next one also. So now we get as a net force. Next we have to find out the displacement. A given as 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 3. This you can write as 2i minus j minus 3k. Next B he given as 5 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. This you can write as 5i minus j minus 3k. Now we need to find out that B minus a. If you want to find out the displacement, B minus a, or we need to do B minus a. If you do B minus a, 5i minus 2i, and next minus of what we get? Minus j plus minus j. Oh no, here minus minus into minus plus j. Next minus 3k minus 3k. So if you do this 5 minus 2, how much? 5 minus 2 is 3i, and these are all cancelled to each other here. And next plus minus into minus plus, and here it is only k nana. Here only k. So 3 minus 1 is 2k. So finally AB we get as 3i plus 2k. 3i plus 2k. Finally we need to find out the work done. Work done is product of force into AB, that is dot product nana. So what is the net force here? 1 by 4 of 41i plus j plus 27k dot 3i plus 2k. 3i plus 2k. So 41 into 3, 123, plus here there is no j term, and next 27 into 2, 54 by 7. 54 by 7. So 123 by 54 is 177 by 7. So the total work done is 177 by 7. Okay. Next question is, if the vector p bar is ai plus aj plus 3k, q bar is ai minus 2j minus k are perpendicular to each other, then the value of a is. Here also same nana. Whenever you asking that perpendicular, we have to do dot product. That is p bar dot q bar equal to 0. So what is p bar here? ai plus aj plus 3k dot ai minus 2j minus k. So equal to 0. We already know that I dot I is 1. A square minus 2a minus 3 equal to 0. So it is in the, okay, now we can do this. Minus 3a plus a minus 3 equal to 0. So a of a minus 3 plus 1 of a minus 3. So what we get Nana? A equal to minus 1 plus 3. So answer is, we can take as in terms of positive value. A value we have to take always positive value. So we get as plus 3 is the answer. Next let me go for passage type question Nana. So here we are taking as a two forces F1. Here we are taking as a two forces F1 and F2 are acting. Then the magnitude of the resultant is resultant force of the block Fr equal to F1 plus F2. So first of all here we have to take resultant, that is the magnitude of resultant of force of the block is Fr equal to F1 plus F2. What is F1 here? I plus J plus 3 by 2 J plus 2K. 3 by 2 J plus 2K. So if you do addition, I plus 1 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2 J plus 2K. This is the resultant force, and magnitude of the resultant force is magnitude of the resultant force is root of 1 square is 1 and 5 by 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4 plus 4. What we get? If we do LCM, 45 by 2, that is 3.35 Newton. And next he asking that the angle between F1 and F2 is the angle between F1 and F2. If you want to find out the angle, we go for cos theta equal to F1 dot F2 by magnitude of F1 F2. So what is F1 here? I plus J dot, and next F2 is 3 by 2 J plus 2K by what is the magnitude of F1? Let me do this here. Magnitude of F1 is root of